Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frank Mularcik, and in this video we're going to be talking about earning passive income, a sort of dividend almost from cryptocurrency, and how I actually use a few different methods, two basic methods to earn some interest or dividends or passive income, whatever you want to call it, just by holding cryptocurrency within certain companies basically. So the main one that I started using a few months ago is called Celsius, and I'm showing it to you guys right now. And basically how this works is you just deposit your cryptocurrency into an account. It's just kind of like a brokerage account. You just deposit it in here, and then your cryptocurrency will earn interest or dividends or whatever you want to call it. So the three cryptocurrencies I have, you can see here on the left, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. And I actually also have USD coin, which we'll talk about in a second. But you can see Bitcoin, you earn 6.2% on your first quarter Bitcoin, which it's probably going to be a while before I reach more than a quarter Bitcoin. Right now I have 0.01, so I would need to, increase my Bitcoin by like 24 or 25 times in order to get a quarter Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin Cash gives you 4.5% annual interest or dividend. And right now I have almost one full Bitcoin Cash token. And then Ethereum earns you 5.35% on your first 30 Ethereum, which, like with Bitcoin, it's probably going to be a long time, if ever, before I get to that. And then USD coin gives you 8.5% on your cryptocurrency that you have there. And basically how this works is essentially they're just lending out this cryptocurrency to other people, and they're lending out some of your cryptocurrencies and then paying you a yield based on the interest they're getting from actually lending that out. So that's basically how it works. You can see my portfolio within this account is around $1,500, and so far I've earned $14 of rewards, which is almost 1% of the account. And if you can see, if we go look at the balance by year, I just opened this account at the end of October. So I had it all of November, December, and January, let's say. That's about 3 months. So I've only had it about 3 months. I've already earned 1% of my total balance basically. And some of this stuff, or some of this balance I didn't have initially at the beginning. You can see just recently, as of today when I'm recording this video, I sent some Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum, about $100 worth into this account. I bought it earlier in the week and then sent it to this account. So I have about $1,500 but in this account, but I didn't have all that initially, and I've already earned about 1% on that, which is pretty awesome. And some other cool things, they do have a referral program. So if you do use my link, which I'll probably provide in the comment section down below, you do receive about $50 in Bitcoin, I think. So if we scroll down here, we can probably see to where I opened up my account. If we go to page 2, so I deposited my initial amounts, and then the thing with the referral is it does take like a month for it to clear. So you can see I opened the account around October 26th, and then I didn't get that referral of $50 from my friend that I used his code of. I didn't get that till November 16th, so about 20 days there before you get that referral. And then they also run like some other kinds of promotions. So I got $50 in Bitcoin here because they had a promotion where if you just deposited like $200 in USDC, then you'd get $50. And so that was something I was interested in trying out anyway, which is just having USDC, which is basically a cryptocurrency that's essentially backed to the US dollar. And there's a dollar in reserve for every dollar of USD coin. Obviously, it's not going to be insured, FDIC insured like your money would be in a bank, but it seems to me that it's pretty secure, and they do offer a nice yield on it. So that's why I did get that USD coin. The only reason I haven't increased my position more and sort of made it more like an emergency fund is just because of the time that it takes. So Celsius has some pretty good security features, and one of them is that you can basically lock up your funds. So you have to manually unlock it, and then once you unlock it, you have to wait like a day or two before you can withdraw them. So if I, put all my emergency fund into USDC, that wouldn't be very helpful if I needed it within like a few days. So that's why I haven't done that. But The other method that I use to earn interest on cryptocurrency, or a yield on it, is through Yotta Bank, which I have my emergency fund in currently. It's about $2,000, and they recently introduced this feature called crypto buckets, which essentially allows you to put some of your money into USD coin, which is very similar to what I have, but on the user's side, it doesn't look any different. It looks like you just have your money in US dollar, and they go and you take that money that you put into the crypto bucket and they convert it into USD coin, and then basically do similar things to Celsius and give you a higher rate. So basically how Yotta works, I've made videos on it in the past, but if you don't recall or didn't watch them, basically for every $25 you put in, you get one ticket into the lottery, and then at the end of the week, based on your different numbers, you get some sort of reward normally, and there also is a base interest rate as well. But with crypto buckets, for every $10 you put in to the crypto buckets, you get one ticket. So that's basically 2.5 times as many tickets into these weekly drawings that you get. And then explain a little bit how it works. It says your USD is automatically converted to digital dollars stablecoin, so it can be put to work in decentralized markets. You'll earn rewards passed on from borrowers, offering one of the highest stable yields of any savings account on the market. And it does say get a ticket for every $10 instead of 25 like normal. And then it sort of explains it a little bit more down here. Your money is stored in USDC stable coins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged with the United States dollar. And then it talks about how USD is backed by fully reserved assets. However, it did, when I went to switch my money over to the crypto, it did say that, that money is not FDIC insured, like the money that's in the regular just US dollar account. So like I said, I had about $2,000 in that quote unquote emergency fund. And so I put about 1,000 of that into the crypto buckets, and I just got access to that feature probably like a week ago. So not really any data to show on how much I've earned from that, but I'm pretty excited for that, and I think it's a good opportunity to earn more, sort of in a similar way to Celsius, but also in a way that allows you to have a little bit quicker access to your money. So that's what I wanted to talk about today with cryptocurrencies and earning some income off of it. For me, at least for the investments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, those are all just long-term investments that I'm not going to be trading in and out of it. I just want to be buying and holding. So it's just going to be sitting in an account somewhere, or sitting on a hardware wallet somewhere. So it really doesn't hurt from my perspective, I don't think, just to put it in Celsius and get some yield on it, which is awesome. And then with the USD coin, it's just something that can help you earn a little bit more. And especially with the Yotta Crypto Buckets feature, it allows you to still have your money in USD. And obviously, you're not going to earn quite as much interest, I would expect, with the Crypto Buckets with Yotta as you would if you put your money in USDC, in Celsius. But you would have more liquidity with your US dollar with the Yotta feature than you would with Celsius. So that's kind of why I'm using that more heavily at the moment. So thanks for watching to the end of the video. I definitely do appreciate it, and hopefully I can make a video in a few months on the Crypto Buckets feature in Yotta to sort of show how it's done for me. But let me know if you guys do use any of these platforms. Again, I do have referral links for both of them in the description down below, so make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.